Swati ancestors. How is everyone doing this morning? I'm actually doing a lot of work on my YouTube channel. As you see, I have actually changed my YouTube art, and I wanted to make it more. I did post something different. If you see above right there, stay consistent, the results will follow. Okay, I did that for myself because I want to be consistent with my videos, and it's to remind me to keep making videos. So that's like a visual, something visual that I can keep looking at to make sure I'm accurately posting current videos all the time. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming to my channel. Browse through my YouTube videos. If you like what you see, then subscribe and hit the notification bell, because it's going to let you know when I have a fresh, new, valuable information video for you. Okay, I give valuable information about business tips and tricks. Okay, before I change my my page, I want to share with you how consistent I am, and everything I post, I give valuable information because that's what I want to deliver to you. I have a heart for that. Okay, I have a heart for you to become successful, how to make money online, how to give you business tips and tricks. Okay, I actually have other affiliate products that will with your marketing tools. If you ever need fresh leads, new leads, I have it all. I have everything in my my videos, and that's actually in the am I in my videos? No. Let me go into all my videos so I can share with you my consistency. My videos, okay. Alright, so look at this, guys. 23 hours ago, 1 day 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 ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 day ago, 6 videos I have uploaded 1 day ago. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, I've uploaded three videos that day. 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos that day. So it goes on and on, you guys. 5 days, 5 days, 5 days. Then I'll go 6 days, 6 days, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. I think like one day I will give myself a break and just upload one video, but at least I'm uploading one video every day. So every day I am building my channel, and if I scroll down more, you're gonna see that my YouTube channel art was, my thumbnails were different back then. Okay, I didn't know anything about I didn't know anything about Wesley. Okay, when I joined the Wesley, the Overnight Millionaire, I joined that first before I ever joined the Density services. But I'm just gonna show you real quick. My videos keep going because I've uploaded. See how different my videos were back then. Because everything was red. I've done many changes on my videos before I ever met my mentor, Wesley. Alright, okay, so this is I started my channel 4 months ago, and I'm just going to share with you guys. That's when I started this channel. Alright, and that was like the end of June. So I didn't know Wesley here until right here, 2 months ago. This is actually my very first video, and you can check it out. That's my very first video after just purchasing the Overnight Millionaire. I was so excited, I was so motivated that this my mindset of revaluing my thinking was so wrong that it opened and blew me away, that I had to make a video. So that's my very first video with Wesley. And now it is 6 months later. Look at all these videos I have uploaded for Wesley, and I have been productive ever since. Right? And back then, when I started this channel, I only had 14 subscribers. And I now have, I have over 1,000 subscribers. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. The secret is I want to share with you guys. You can actually do organic traffic to your YouTube channel by hiring people. And the secret is hire people from FIVVER. You know, I've been with FIVVER for years. Whenever I needed something like you know, any help with my blogs, or if I wanted somebody, you know, they can do everything there. Whatever you're looking for, they have it. So if you want to promote one of your videos, you can. There's people back there on FIVVER. What they do is when you pay them, they actually send out ads. They actually set up their ads like Google ads. They go out and they actually do it organically. Now, these are people that are experts, so you want people that are experts do it for you. You can hire them, okay? And that's what I did. All right, I started using different marketers, you know, to help me with my business, to get me a solid foundation to help me get started. Because you know, it's really hard to do it yourself. That's why you got Ariella. That's why you got Wesley Virgin. Okay, they're helping us. Okay, now there's other people that are experts too in their ads and everything else. But you know, you got to learn how to do it on your own. But the reason why I'm doing it so fast because I'm already, guys, I'm gonna be 58 years old in a couple weeks. All right. No, I'm not 58. I'm gonna be 59. Excuse me, I'm already 58 years old. But next year I'm gonna be 60. I'm ready to retire. I am so tired of working 12-hour shifts. I'm tired of working 9 to 5 jobs. You know, my days are over with that. You know, I just want to quit right now. And so I'm actually moving myself over to being self-employed, working for myself, having more freedom to do the things I enjoy. I have many whys. I got my craft business. I get to go into the homes and the nursing homes to provide music for them. You know, I don't have any of those freedom time because of my job. All right, and that's why I don't. You know, that's not what I was meant to be on earth. I'm meant to make the world better in what I do. And I crochet, I do a lot of things, I give away stuff, and I touch the people's heart that don't have anything, especially in the nursing home. Guys, let me share you an experience. I gave this patient, and she's been really depressed lately, but what I did was I made her a little bear, like a little about this big, and it put a really big smile. It brought tears to her eyes. And she didn't have any family. You know, a lot of those people in those homes don't have any more family. Their family are deceased. Their family don't want nothing to do with them. So they don't have anything to love them. But giving them a little animal, it gives really, you know, it delights their heart, gives them comfort. And I just love touching people that way. Okay, and I want to do more of that. I want to go into hospitals. I want to give away to the kids, you know, that need healing in their life, and you know, to make them happy. You know, some of them are sick, you know, and they don't know how to get better. But if you give them some part of you that you're offering a passion that you love to do, they are touched by it. Believe it or not, you know, I've done it many times, but I haven't done it enough times because of my lifestyle, trying to make ends meet, working this job, you know, trying to get rent and everything, and it's impossible to be who you really are. So this is a transition for me, and I just wanted to share that with you. This is my drama. All right, I'm going into the millionaire mindset now, ready, preparing, and I'm going for it. There's no way turning back. I'm actually growing, and one of the main things of my why is that I want to help people online. I've always had that desire, passion to show people how to do stuff online, and to help anyone that want to better themselves. And I'm really busy, and I gotta get going. Thank you guys for coming over to my channel. You like what you see, call to action, want to make money, click on the link below. I have Wesley Virgin's courses. You want to join Ariella, I have the link. We do it for you services. I have that link too. Go ahead and click on that link and start making money today and take action. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon and see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.